Kita. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today we're gonna unboxing this tree. This is me. It's SAIDE. That's my face. This is me. So, ini mini-mani mo. Sino pili ka? Ikaw ba? Ini mini-mani mo. Okay, we're gonna get this one. So, we're gonna open it. 3, 2, 1, go. Oopsies. Oops. And 3, 2, 1. Yay! Yay! What is this? 3, 2, 1. I got the blue one. You're very cute. Oh! Not today, guys. It's a cute little pancake. I have a glitter. What is this? Slime?
Slime siya.
Sabi mo, bawal ako mag-slime.
Basta huwag mo yan ikala.
Super cute, guys. Have a squishy. Have a sprinkles. Let's go try this one. This is super fun, guys. Ew.
Ew.
Super baho.
Mabaho siya.
This is super cute. Thank you for this. Oh no.
Oh no, bakit?
Got the blue dumpling. I want the real dumpling. This is super cute.
It's a tiny version kasi.
Where did you buy this?
Secret.
It's in SM, right?
Secret.
So I got this super cute little pancake. I mean waffle.
Nataba squishy.
Have a squishy.
Si Ate Yumi nagpili niyan.
Oh! This is the super cute little tub squishy, guys. And then there's a pink. I'm gonna try this slime ulit. I'm gonna do it again. Basa-basa to naman. Basa naman yan.
Basta, syempre ganyan talaga yung slime.
Super good, guys. We need to unboxing the others. Let's go take it off. So let's go.
Next
Ini
one.
mani mo. Sino pili ka? Ikaw ba? Ini mani mo.
I-show mo yung ibang sides ng box.
This
At
is
ASMR.
the like something. And this is my mukha. This is my birthday, 18. August 18. We're gonna open it in 3, 2, 1. Oopsies. Oh no.
No.
Just spoon it.
Sulit mo na lang siya. What's inside
3, 2,
kaya?
1. What is this?
Oh, mami, oh. Dahil po lagi nauubos yung mga tip.
What is this?
Ang timing mo ng notebook pang
Oh,
drawing
so
mo.
cute! Number 1, in a con, see every man is healthy. This is super cute.
Look, oh, ang dami mga purple.
These are sticky tapes.
Some cute washi tape.
Washi tapes.
Yes. Which design yung favorite mo dito?
It's kulay purple and purple and purple.
Yung pink ayaw mo?
I like pink and I everything color.
Last
And
one.
the last one. Please subscribe to my channel, guys.
ASMR
Page
Karen.
2020.
Okay.
Then I'm gonna make this. Oh no.
No, bakit?
Ito one go. What is this?
Wow.
May bagong ipit naman ako.
Ay, bagong ipit naman ko. May purple na siya. Oh. Cute.
Lagi purple to man.
Bakit? Ano ko gusto ng purple?
Okay, we have this. I wanna get this lamp. Ano nga natanggal dito?
Ano na tanggalit na? Okay.
Leave me alone. Was that some kind of crack about ogres? You get your burn 5 foot away before I kick it down. Now, which way am I kicking?
How can I open?
Butas mo siya.
Can I butas it guys?
Ano na?
Ito. We got the lip balm.
Okay, kung try mo nga.
Let's go try the lip balm. It's a mermaid one.
Wow.
Alright. Journey to the soul.
Ang bango.
Bango, pa smell nga.
Oh, sa lip balm. It looks like a lipstick. I'm gonna keep this to my bag.
Okay. Alala mo yung mga ano ko, hairpins ko kanina? Matching na tayo. So purple.
Okay. This is my pink slime, lip balm, hair clips, dumpling. This is super cute. It's a blue dumpling. This is my pancake. This is my washi tapes. And this is my mini notebook. This is my stickers. That's all my things today. Tomorrow, I'm just gonna video all it in this second video, okay? Bye guys! Give a like for part 2 guys and subscribe to my channel or else. Bye bye!